Which part of human body cannot repair itself? A. Liver. B. Blood vessels. C. Teeth. D. Brain. You have 5 seconds. Well done. Yes, the answer is C. Teeth.
Yeah!
Teeth don't repair themselves because teeth are made of enamel. There aren't many cells there. Cells are what start the healing process in our bodies. So you must take extra care of your pearly whites. Basically, brush your teeth twice a day. Don't go to bed without brushing your teeth. But don't overbrush, don't turbocharge. Drink water after every meal. Stay away from sugar. Stay away from soda. Your teeth are with you for your entire life. Treat them well.